Everyone says they want success, but few ever talk about why they lose focus along the way. For Daniel, it started with one simple mistake. A mistake that cost him his dream and almost made him give up on himself. But what happened next was something he never saw coming. In today's story, you'll learn what Daniel discovered on that quiet night. The truth that can make you unstoppable when everything tries to distract you. So stay with me, because after this, you'll never lose focus again. Daniel used to be the kind of person who showed up every single day. He'd wake up early, write in his notebook, and spend hours working toward his dream, becoming a writer who could move hearts with his words. But slowly something changed. He started checking his phone before he even brushed his teeth. A few minutes of scrolling turned into an hour. Then two. His focus was slipping, not because he was lazy, but because his attention was being stolen piece by piece. Notifications, comparison, endless noise. The world was louder than his purpose. One night after another wasted day, Daniel sat alone at his small wooden desk. The lamp flickered softly beside his cold cup of coffee. His notebook lay open, but the pages were empty. His mind felt just as blank. In that silence, he whispered to himself, "When did I stop being the person I promised myself I'd be?" And then, as if the universe wanted to answer him, his friend called. "Hey," his friend said, "you used to be so focused, man. What happened?" Daniel sighed. "I don't know, I just can't seem to stay consistent anymore." His friend paused for a moment, then said something that hit deeper than Daniel expected. "You didn't lose focus, Daniel. You gave it away." That sentence echoed in his head all night. You gave it away. The truth was, every time Daniel reached for his phone instead of his dream, he wasn't losing focus. He was handing it over. To distractions, to comfort, to fear. And the more he gave, the emptier he felt. That night, Daniel made a quiet decision. Not a loud, dramatic promise, just a calm one. From today, my attention belongs to my purpose again. The next morning, Daniel did something simple. He turned off all notifications. He kept his phone in another room. And he started with just 10 minutes of focused writing. 10 became 20. 20 became an hour. And soon his momentum returned. His writing improved. His ideas became sharper. His peace came back. He realized, focus isn't about forcing yourself to work harder. It's about protecting what matters most. Weeks later, Daniel's friend visited again. The same desk, the same lamp. But this time, the notebook was full. His friend smiled. "You're back, huh?" Daniel nodded. "Yeah," he said quietly. "I stopped chasing focus and started choosing it. Because focus isn't something you find. It's something you fight for. Every single day. So if you've been feeling scattered or distracted lately, remember this. You don't lose focus overnight. You lose it every time you choose what doesn't serve you. But the moment you choose your purpose again, that's when everything begins to realign. Because what you focus on grows. And after this, you'll never lose focus again. If this story helped you see focus differently, share it with someone who needs to hear it today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, The Tales Beyond Word. Until we meet again, stay focused, stay grateful, and keep moving forward.